Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas Meyer. I'm the VP in charge of marketing and channel management at SpinetiX. Welcome to our SpinetiX booth at InfoComm in Orlando. This year at the show we are very glad to present a special collaboration between SpinetiX and Sharp NEC. We indeed share a common vision to deliver professional solutions with a high degree of quality, reliability, and well supported by our respective ecosystem of rAVe system integrators. This collaboration features now an all-in-one digital signage solution ready for business. We have indeed worked with the Sharp NEC team to bundle on their professional screens, enabled with the Intel SDM module, our dedicated operating system, DSOS, complemented by our award-winning CMS, SpinetiX ARIA. Thanks to this all-in-one solution, customers can now get started easily with signage while relying on an efficient, scalable, robust platform that will evolve with their needs. This is a plug-and-play, all-in-one solution offering plenty of benefits for both integrators and end users. It indeed not only simplifies installation, provisioning, and maintenance, but it comes also with a high level of flexibility, support. So, come visit us on our booth 833 at the show and learn more about this great collaboration with Sharp NEC on our website at SpinetiX.com.